Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. I love putting my makeup on. However, I am not an expert, and having a brush that pretty much does the work for me is the way to go. This one from Jacqueline Kalab is really wonderful. It's probably the best foundation brush that I've ever used. The brush is a shorter length, so it really allows you to be able to structure and determine where you want to put your makeup on. I really like that the brush is also really compact but soft, so you have options. You can just lightly brush it on thanks to being able to grip the handle so well. You can do more of a stippling effect, or you can press a little bit harder if you want a little bit thicker foundation look. For me, having aging skin, I definitely want to be able to have more control over how my foundation looks, and I really find that I can get this with this brush. I've noticed when putting the makeup on, the makeup doesn't sink down into the brush, but rather really stays on the top, allowing it to get onto your face and then allowing you to clean the brush much more easily. And the brush washes well and dries well. You could even go with a less expensive foundation, but I'm confident that this brush would really work well on different types of skin and faces. I love the length of this brush. I just find that I definitely can have so much more control being someone that's not a professional makeup artist. For me, that's really important for the brush to do the work for me, and it definitely does with this brush. And that's my point of view.